Welcome to your science class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 1 nutrition in plants. We'll discuss today about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Green plants have chlorophyll, that's why they can make their own food. But some of the plants cannot have chlorophyll. They cannot make their own food. They depend for their food on other organisms. They are called heterotrophic plants. Heterotrophic plants can be divided into groups or categories. Let's know about it. First one is parasites. Second one is saprophytes. Third one is symbiosis. And last and fourth one is insectivorous plants. We'll discuss over here. Let's discuss first one, parasites. Parasites is animals or plants that obtain their food from other organisms. Example, Cuscuta and mistletoe. Let's know about the Cuscuta. Cuscuta is a yellow color plant and they don't have chlorophyll. So that's why they cannot make their own food. They obtain their food from host plant. Next, discuss about the mistletoe. Mistletoe is a partial parasite because mistletoe make their own food because the presence of chlorophyll, but they absorb or receive their water and mineral from the host plant. And Cuscuta is a total parasite. So let's move on to saprophytes. Example of saprophytes are mushrooms and yeast. Saprophytes obtain their food from dead and decaying organic matter. For example, mushrooms obtain their food from rotting wood of a dead tree. Let's move to the symbiosis. Let's know about the symbiosis. Two different types of organisms live and work together for their mutual benefits are called symbiosis. So, the example of symbiosis organisms are lichen and ribosium. Let's know about the lichen. Lichen made up of an algae and a fungus. Algae can make their own food because chlorophyll is present and share it with the fungus. Fungus absorb the water from the surroundings and supply it to the algae. Now let's move to the insectivorous plants. Example of insectivorous plant are pitcher plant and sundew. Some plants feed insects for fulfilling their nitrogen requirement. They are called insectivorous plants. So let's discuss about how nutrients are replenished in the soil. Nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus are nutrients required by the plants for their healthy growth. Manure and fertilizers are added to the soil to replenish the nutrients in the soil. Let's discuss about a natural way of replenishing the nitrogen in the soil. Ribosome bacteria living in the nodules of the roots of leguminous plants and enrich the soil with nitrogen and provide nitrogen to them. In return, plants provide shelter and food to bacteria. Now let's discuss about cell. Living organisms are made of tiny units called cell. Cells are mainly of two types: plant cell, animal cell. Cell is filled by a jelly-like material called cytoplasm, which enclosed by cell membrane. Nucleus is a large nucleus in the center of a cell. Students, that's all for today. Thank you.